In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a 120-day free trial on Shopify. Shopify normally only gives you 3 days for free, but if you go ahead, click on the link in the description and follow these instructions step by step, then you can go ahead, enjoy 120 days free trial. Now, when you hit the link in the description, this web page will pop up for you. All you can do is go ahead, enter your email address. Just make sure it has never been used to make a Shopify account. Go ahead, type your email correctly as you can see now. Just make sure it's a fresh email because this only works for new accounts. Now go ahead, click on start free trial. Then give it some time to load as you can see. Once you do that, Shopify will ask you a few quick questions. Just choose the password you want. Just make sure it's a strong password with digits as well. Now go ahead, click on create Shopify account. Then after that, Shopify will ask you, what do you like to sell? Choose what do you like to sell. Then click on next. After that, you must choose I'm not selling yet for this free trial to work. Just click on it. Then after that, hit next. Then the next thing Shopify will ask you is what do you plan to sell? In my case, I am going to choose dropshipping products. So go ahead and choose what you like. Then click on next after you're done. And now you can see here the Shopify plans, basic, grow, and advanced. But you can go ahead, click on skip. I'll decide later to set up your account. So just give it some time to load. And now you can see that your account has been set up. And now your account is good to go. But all you need to do to access 120 days free trial is to go ahead, select a plan right here, click on it. And after that, the plans will pop up for you. As you can see, there is basic, grow, advanced, and the plus plan. Just go ahead, choose the plan you want. You are not going to pay now. Just select basic. In my case, I'm going to select basic. Then go ahead, fill out your credit card information. It is not going to be charged now. Just make sure to type everything correctly. Your name, last name, card number, address, everything must be written correctly. Then go ahead, click on subscribe and just give it some time to load. Your card is not going to be charged and you are not going to buy. So now just go ahead, write your business details, your business address details. For example, this is my address, the city. Then just go ahead, write your phone number, then click on confirm business details. And now that your account is all good and set up perfectly, we can go to the next step that allows you to have a 120-day trial. This is the perfect opportunity to finally start the online business you are thinking about. So all you need to do is to go ahead, open up a new window because we are going to access the Shopify Help Center. Go ahead, open up the new tab and type in help.shopify.com. Then go ahead, choose the first link. After you do that, just give it some time to load. And the Shopify Help Center will be opened up for you, as you can see here. Now all you can do is to go to the right where it says Help Center Assistant. Then type in, "Hi, I need assistance." And the AI bot will reply to you. After it replies, just go ahead, copy this message that will be available in the description below. Just copy it. Make sure to copy everything. This is a message you can send to the Shopify support in order to get a 120 free days. Just go ahead, paste it. Just send the message, and after a couple of minutes, you will receive an email from Shopify Assistant that you have now an extra 90 days, and they are writing you regarding your recent inquiry about extending your free trial. So it has successfully been extended, and you can go ahead and enjoy your free 120-day free trial. And there you go. This is how to get the Shopify 120-day free trial step by step. This was an easy and quick process video. So take action now. The link to the trial is below in the description. As always, thank you for watching.